world. Seems no one else ever showed you how I'm deeply connected to you and love you like I do. I wanna get closer to you, my baby. I wanna get to know you, to know you. Won't you ride with me? Won't you ride with me? I make sure that your heart will feel good every time we collide. That you can't hide your feelings anymore deep down inside. Why don't you ride with me? Why don't you ride with me? I make sure that your heart will feel good every time we collide. That you can't hide your feelings anymore deep down inside. Why don't you ride with me? Let me show you the world. We can be a family. Baby, it's you and me. Why don't you ride with me? Baby, ride with me. Let me show you the world. Let me show you the world. Baby, I hate to see you in that West Buddha, 'cause he don't know anything about love. To him right now it seems like you don't exist. So let me show you how it's done. Make you feel so good like you should. Oh baby, I won't let you down, 'cause you deserve it all. Take me, my lady, won't you ride with me? Won't you ride with me? I make sure that your heart will feel good every time we collide. That you can't hide your feelings anymore deep down inside. Why don't you ride with me? Why don't you ride with me? I make sure that your heart will feel good every time we collide. That you can't hide your feelings anymore deep down inside. Why don't you ride with me? Let me show you the world. We can be a family. Baby, it's you and me. Why don't you ride with me? Baby, ride with me. Let me show you the world. Let me show you the world.
Damn, shorty. Now I really got your attention, right? Let's get it. Now I got you zoned out, deeply in love with the flows and chills through your whole body. 'Cause I got that Midas touch. That's why I want you to have it. Other shorties wanna take it for granted. That's why I chose you, so take advantage. The way you turn around and look at me with your sexy smile. Look like you want something, girl, so give me a sign. I can take you around the world to the moon and back, so we can handle that. Cruise control in the Cadillac. Shorty's feeling good, now let's ride.
Girl, why don't you ride with me?